Dhyana shlokaha all together with the corrections in mind. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaita अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैः स्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु मोक्षार्थं योगप्रणाली सामरस्य श्लोकसङ्ग्रहः। श्रीभगवानुवाच अनेकचित्तविभ्रान्ताः मोहजालसमावृताः प्रसक्ताः कामभोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु च ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्थाः मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः जघन्यगुणवृत्तिस्थाः अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या केवलैरिन्द्रियैरपि योगिनः कर्म कुर्वन्ति सङ्गं त्यक्त्वात्मशुद्धये उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः तस्मात् शास्त्रं प्रमाणन्ते कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि समदुःखसुखस्वस्थ स्तुतिः तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः सुखदुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् यल्लब्ध्वा चापरल्लाभं मन्यते नाधिकं ततः यस्मिन् स्थितो न दुःखेन गुरुणापि विचाल्यते. टुडे श्लोक मुक्तसंगो नहं वादी धृत्युत्साहसमन्वितः मुक्तसंगो नहं वादी धृत्युत्साहसमन्वितः सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योर्निर्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योर्निर्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते. मुक्तसंगो नहं वादी धृत्युत्साहसमन्वितः सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योर्निर्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते. मुक्तसंगो नहं वादी धृत्युत्साहसमन्वितः सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योर्निर्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते.
My boys and girls, Bhagavad Gita is a dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna. It's a conversation between Krishna and Arjuna. It is a discussion between the master and the disciple. We need not look at Bhagavad Gita always as a spiritual book. It is not only a philosophical text, it solves many of our modern present practical problems. Krishna has come with a purpose to this world. What is his work? To punish the bad, to protect the good. And he wanted an assistant. He wanted a helper. He wanted an instrument. He found Arjuna. Hey, Mr. Arjuna. Yes, sir. Come on, let's go and fight. Yes, sir. Arjuna came, went to the battlefield. He was ready to fight. Suddenly, he came down. Sorry, sir, I don't want to fight. You said you will come and fight, you will come and study, you will come and eat, you will come and marry. Why all this sudden development? Sorry, sir. If I fight, if I kill, many people die, many widows there will be, many orphans there will be. No, sir, I don't want to fight. Useless fellow. I brought you with the purpose of waging the war. You suddenly go back. I brought you to play cricket. No, sir. If I win, sir, the others will lose, sir. No, sir. What nonsense. Krishna and Arjuna question answer. What is the purpose? To make Arjuna fight. To make the student study, to make the assistant work. Purpose. Sri Krishna and Arjuna had 18 chapters of discussion, long dialogue, long conversation. Krishna is a very great business administrator. He is a master of business administration. He is the chairman of the corporate sector. He is the supreme boss, highly logical, very intelligent, great intellectual. He can make everybody obedient to him. He can convince anybody. That is his capacity. 18 chapters over. Krishna is successful. Arjuna agreed to fight. Karishye vachanam tava. Your order I will obey. What you say I will do. Arjuna said finally. War commenced. 13 days war over. 13th day, Abhimanyu died. Arjuna's son died. Arjuna went to Krishna. Krishna, I don't want to fight. You agreed to fight. 13 days ho gaya. Suddenly if you say I don't want to continue my BA, I don't want to continue my BSc, MSc, PhD, DSc, I want to withdraw, I want to get out. What is the reason? Sir, my son died, sir. My father died, sir. How can you expect me to study, sir? You are a great man. You don't have any problems. I have problem. I don't want to fight. Krishna said, that's not correct. You agreed to fight and you come on, fight. If you get my son back to life, if you declare all my arrears to be successful, then only I will study. If you give me 100 rupees, then only I will study. If you give me a new suit, I will study. You give me something. My son is dead. Abhimanyu is dead. Give him life, I shall fight. Then Krishna said, it is impossible. I cannot give life back to your son. This story, Salla, you don't tell me. Kartum, akartum, anyatha kartum shaktaha. You are capable of doing wonders. You are capable of doing, undoing, differently doing. Sarva Shakti Samarthaha you are capable of doing it. I want you to do it. No, I can't give life. Don't tell lies. When you were a student in Sandipani's Gurukula, the master's son died and you brought back his life. As Guru Dakshina to the master, you gave the dead son back with life to the master. Now I want Abhimanyu. Then Krishna, Arjuna talked. Arjuna was weeping, Pandavas are all weeping. Krishna also was about to shed a tear. Dharmaraj went. Sir, You are a great jnani, you are a great thinker, you are a great philosopher, you are a great spiritual giant. Why are you? I taught Bhagavad Gita unnecessarily to this fool Arjuna. What is the use of my teaching? He listens to Bhagavad Gita, continues to be an idiot. Then Arjuna said, you call me idiot, fool, whatever thing you want, I want my son. I want money. I want food. I want this. I want Abhimanyu. Then Krishna said, come on. You want Abhimanyu? Yes, sir. Sit in the chariot. Arjuna and Krishna took the chariot and he whipped the horses. Krishna in the midnight at 12 o'clock. 13th day. The Ratham was going on the runway. Suddenly he pulled the reins. Ratham became aircraft. From the ground it took to flight. It went to Chandraloka. There was a beautiful palace. Excellent portico. Ratham went. Helicopter stopped. Hey Arjun. Yes sir. Come out. He came out. Looked through the window. He saw. There on a simhasanam, Abhimanyu was sitting. Very handsome. By his side, there was an American, British, heavenly, beautiful girl. There were 26 excellent damsels dancing. Then Krishna said, it's your Abhimanyu? Yes, sir. Bring him in, we shall go back. You wanted Abhimanyu? I showed him, bring it. I have to refill the chariot, petrol, diesel, fuel. I will take care of the horses. You go in and bring Abhimanyu. Arjuna went in. Abhimanyu closed his nose. Dirty smell. Foul smell. Some bloody Manushya has come here. Foul smell, sweat smell, earthly smell is coming. Who is that fellow? Arjuna said, your daddy. He is my daddy, get out. From Bannerghatta, from the villager goes to America. His son is there with the American girl by his side. Who are you? You are a daddy. Get out, rascal. Same is the situation. Abhimanyu looked at Arjuna, scolded him. I am your daddy. You are my son. In which drama you acted as my father, beta? Get out. I act every day as Hamlet, as Othello, as Rosalind, as Romeo. So many roles I have played. I am a student. I am a lecturer. I am a professor. I am a boy. I am a youth. I am an old man. I am a sickly man. Every day I am playing a new role. And in which drama, on which day you played the role of my father? Get out. Arjuna said, I am your daddy. How many times should I tell you, get out, rascal? Arjuna was stunned. My own son, my own dear son. Then he was shaken. Will you get out or shall I throw you out? Arjuna said, not necessary, beta. I am going. Arjuna came out. Krishna, where is Abhimanyu? No Abhimanyu, nothing doing. Come on, let's go back. That is Vairagya. Bhagavad Gita is taught so that we develop detachment. Detachment from everything. We are individuals playing many roles. The entire world is a stage. We play the roles of babies. We play the roles of youth, middle-aged men and women. Sickly person, finally the role of a dead body. We are now here in this Prashant Kutir to learn Vairagya, to be detached from everything. Bhagavad Gita can be understood if we apply it to our day-to-day world. Krishna is a great thinker, a great logician, a great philosopher, a great spiritual giant, a person of persuasive art. He can get his things done. Having come to Prashanti, let us understand the purpose of our life. Let us understand the real attachments and detachments. Let us try to reach the highest. Let us understand Bhagavad Gita in its true perspective. Any amount of theory is useless. We must learn to practice. Arjuna is taught the reality. Arjuna is taught the practice. May we be the good learners of Bhagavad Gita. Hari Om Tat Sat.
शांति मंत्र। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे